Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As I promised on my Telegram channel, we are going to start a playlist for doing CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, whereby I'm going to show people how to register accounts on CPA marketing sites, how to register on them, how to drive traffic on their various CPA affiliate offers. And so, in our playlist, these are the lessons which we are going to tackle today or during the course of this playlist. So this is the basic CPA marketing tutorial for beginners. So the first step you're going to do is to show you how to create a CPA account, a CPA marketing account. And we're going to start off with the easiest site like MoneyTag and CPAGrip. And then in the next series of videos, I'm going to show you how to drive traffic to a CPA affiliate link. There is a whole lot of stuff where you're supposed to, how you're supposed to promote your affiliate link in order to create money. This is where everything is. If you can be able to tackle how to drive traffic on your affiliate link, you make crazy amount of money in CPA marketing. Then as usual, the method of payments, these are very easy. In every CPA marketing site that you're going to review on how to register and how to earn on it, the methods of payment are registered from PayPal, crypto, or through bank accounts. So remember, these are the main things that shall be tackling while we review the various CPA marketing sites available. And so I want to show you guys how to create a site from my first CPA marketing site, which is very friendly for beginners. And the site you're talking about is called CPAGrip. You can see I'm also running from these experiences. I've been studying a lot of courses on how to do CPA marketing, and I'm also running very, very hard. So you're wondering, how do you create such an account? So to create such an account, just go to your browser, yeah, like this one. Just type CPAGrip, or you can click the link under the video description for my referral link. I'll be very much grateful if you can register using my link. Once you do that, just click on the registration and register. Another beauty about CPA marketing sites, you don't require a proxy to register on a CPA marketing site. They work in every single country of the world, and I'll show you how using your own country CPA account, you can be able to access offers from the USA. So the first site you're going to start off today is called CPAGrip, yeah, in this series of CPA marketing sites. Remember, this is the #1 YouTube channel for your online earning tricks and tutorials. We don't charge anything. We offer everything for free, whereby if you get the information you're providing to you guys, it can give you a basis of making an extra income online. Now, assuming now you're registering an account, here just put your first name and last name. These are just random names. I'm using this is an English, this is a USA address. So since it's a tutorial, let me try it to my Kenyan. So here I can say 43. This is an address. You can put any address here. Always put a comma in your physical address. Remember, you don't have to use a what? City, this is Nairobi. So country, remember I told you don't have to use a proxy when creating a CPA marketing account. And I'll be providing for sites that don't require you to register using a proxy. Yeah? So this like that. Nairobi. So you can see I'm not using a proxy here. My zip code is 00100. Phone number, you can use the phone number of your country. Yeah, I'm going to blur this one for privacy. This is my personal number. You can put, let me put Isaac, like that. Then email address, you can use any, like this one. Password, you can get any password you want. Let me put a random password. Yeah, this is a random password. Remember, this is just for testing. Time zone, use time zone according to your country. For me, I'm in East Africa. Mine is GMT, General Meridian Time. So you can say from a friend from YouTube. Just write YouTube there. Then click agree. Remember, in this series of videos of creating CPA marketing accounts, I'll be showing you how to register on various CPA marketing sites. Some sites are easy like these ones. This is among the easiest sites to register on and to start earning as a beginner in affiliate marketing. It's called CPAGrip. I'm going to show you everything that you need to know about CPAGrip on how to start earning on it. So basically the registration of this one is very, very simple. So once you answer all of those questions, click. Wow, that was very, very fast. You see? So the next thing I'm supposed to do is to verify my email. You see? I've already registered another account. So this is my new account here. My old account was here, Isaac, but this is the new account that you have registered right now. This one, James. Hey. So let me pick an email link so that you can verify. They have sent a verification link. So this is my link. Let me paste here to verify my email. You see? It's very, very easy verification. That's why during our beginners tutorial, I wanted us to start with a site which has easy registration and will not have any complications when creating an account. So in our series of CPA marketing tutorial videos, our first site you're starting with is called CPAGrip. I've shown you how to create an account. Now, once you create an account, and now the next step is to get to work. And how do you do that? Come to offer, click here my offers. You're going to see all the offers listed for your country. For example, here you can see that we have Kenyan offers, yeah, Kenyan offers, but the payout is very, very low, and the net conversion rate is very, very low. So always choose offers with a high net conversion rate. So how do you do that? You can maneuver here, come here, search like United States, this one, and you're going to get all the offers for the United States. So in short, you don't require a USA CPAGrip account to be able to access the USA offers. So just change the country name here under the offers, and you're going to get all the United States CPA offers. You see, they are listed here, and you can see that they have a performance network for everyone. So always pick the offer with the highest net conversion rate and earning per click, highest average earning per click. Anything above 0.04 is good. Anything above 1% on net average conversion rate is very nice. And also this one, performance rate. The highest, the better. For example, now you can see the offer here. You just require to promote these offers, and it already requires you to submit. The client is only required to submit an email and a zip code. Once they submit an email and a zip code, you are going to be paid $1.88. And this one is only works for Android and Apple iOS devices. These offers are very, very specific. So if you promote this offer and then a person in the United States complete these offers using an Android device or an Apple iOS device, you are going to get the reward. Remember, CPA means cost per action. Sometimes it can be called cost per read. So you are paid for every action that you do. That's very, very, very simple. Now, let's say, for example, you want this link. Just come here, click this link, like that. Copy this link. Then, assuming you'll be having a landing page, which is hosted on a domain. So you just copy this link, add it on your landing page, which you have created depending with the offer you are promoting here. Once you do that, host it on a domain. And when you host it on a domain, you can go to Twitter, TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook and promote your offer there. Or Google Ads or Meta Ads, you can go there and promote your offer there. Now, Creating an account is very easy on any site, including in any CPA site. But now the next challenge will be how to create a landing page whereby you can be able now to post your link there. And then the link that you post must be a high conversion landing page which can lure people to come to to click on various items on your site. So in the next course of making these tutorial videos, I'm going to make a video purposely for creating a landing page. A landing page is necessary for embedding your what? Your affiliate link on that particular landing page, so that when you promote it on your domain, when people open your landing page using your domain, they can be able to click on various offers you have created. I have so many AI tools for creating amazing landing pages, so don't worry about that. I'm going to show you. Remember, I don't charge anything on my YouTube channel. Everything you're providing here free of charge. You can also maneuver the countries like Poland. Yeah, there's no limitations. And also, if you don't have money to buy paid traffic, you can promote these things using your Facebook account. So you can just go to Facebook. If you have a Polish Facebook account, promote this. Go to their various public groups for Polish, depending with the topic of the ad you want to promote, and promote your offer there, and you get paid very, very much easily. Yeah. For example, like this one is for Poland. It's only the requirement is for Android and pin submit. They mostly ask for phone numbers. This one, it's very, very easy. Yeah. So you see, enter your mobile number to get started. So this one requires a mobile number. So anybody in Poland who enters the mobile number using an Android device, you get this amount, $1.71. It's quite easy. So guys, if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel up to now, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Remember, this is the #1 YouTube channel for your online earning tricks and tutorials. This was a very quick update regarding CPA marketing, and I hope I have told you something informative which can help you to take the next step of registering an account. So guys, check out this video, and many more are coming on your way. So thank you for watching. Keep it locked to my next video.